You good? You good? Who's gonna get it? What is up, guys? It's your boy Lars, aka MotoBroo, and we out here a good maybe hour we'll have without it raining. Literally every day in Florida it has been raining. It has been awful, but you know, that's Florida for you. About to head to California this week. I'm gonna head to California. My car is gonna be fixed up tomorrow. I got in a little fender bender, as you guys know, so I'm super stoked to have my car in tip-top shape. And we're gonna cruise across America and freaking shred, bro. We're gonna meet up with y'all homies, and we gonna, wait, what was I don't even know what I was gonna say. We're gonna meet up with the MB gang all around America, and we're gonna fucking shred, bro. We did the East Coast trip. Now it's time to head to the West Coast, baby! Alright, let's get this adventure started, though. Bing flipping wheelie, bro! You just gotta freaking send it, dog. You just gotta send it and fucking hit coasters, bro. Y'all, dude. You gotta flip and send it, bro. Oh yeah, clear away from that. Yo, I see Big Mac Moto. Where are you going? Skirt. What's up, man? What's your name?
Chase.
You fixed those bars?
Kind of a little bit, but we're gonna try to do a little bit more now that we got a little bit more. We're just gonna fucking.
You're just gonna
hold my legs like this. And
bro, that's not gonna work. You gotta like loosen something.
No, it's the forks. It's not just the bars, bro. Like the forks aren't like.
No, I know. That's what I'm saying.
Fender, like.
Nice. You had that bike the whole time, or?
Yeah, I got this like 2 days after I got my license.
Okay. Hell yeah.
I crossed on the highway doing 80 the other day.
Ouch. How?
It was raining and someone cut me off.
And you just damn, you didn't get hurt?
No, I mean it tore my shoulder up, like my elbows and shit.
Okay.
It broke off my turn signal. That's
damn, that's crazy. We got that 2-stroke. Listen to that bad boy. When's the last time you rode the bike?
Last time I rode with you.
Oh, for real? Oh, right into it. Tune game on point, bro. Yo, his YZ125 though is so flippin' sick. Holy shit. That goes. I don't know what you're doing with your life. Actually, your bike's pretty sick too. I'm just kidding. But I don't know. I fuck with this. Like how it has the Supermoto wheels, like 2-stroke with Supermoto wheels. I don't know what's cooler than that, bro. Probably a DRC. That's probably the only thing I know cooler than a 2-stroke with Supermoto wheels, and that would be my bike. We have made it to the handy dandy wheelie spot. Oh my god, Big Mac Moto. What a nut. Yo, watch out when you go over these. These are, they're so slippery. You pop any wheelies?
Bitch, why you playing with my check? Hell, I'm gonna play it like a lace. Bitch, why you playing with my check? Bitch, why you playing with my check?
It's thrown over.
It's what?
It's thrown over. Look at it. We can't get out.
Just don't be a pussy and run through that bitty.
Send it then.
I'm not running from no one right now. Yo, my foot is freaking dragging right now. That? Alright. Is there anything I gotta know before I ride a sport bike that's probably gonna kill me?
I've been in a sports bike?
Yeah.
It's really hard to wheelie. Like, I can't.
This is a 300, right?
20, yeah. He bounced rev limiter and popped it up.
Alright. Yo, MotoBroo on a sport bike. You know how we do. I feel like a fucking shot's riding this shit. Alright, ready? I don't know how the... Oh, holy shit. This thing got no power, bro. My freaking... Yo, my DRZ is more it's faster than this bike, bro. Low-key. I don't even know how to turn this shit. Oh, your boy's going off-road. Off-roading on a freaking car. I mean, yeah, this is pretty much a car. I'm just gonna call it a car. Yeah, you like my... Alright, I'm gonna try third. Yeah, you can't wheelie this.
It only does wheelies in first.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
I mean, I can bring it up in second. I just can't. It's like yank down.
Yeah, just try first.
All right, be careful on my bike. All right, ready?
Gotta let go. I'm the real deal, doing like Metro. You saying I won't make it, let's bet, bro. I'm talking 100, 200 G's. Give me a deal, I'll bet it all on me. I am the truth, Sean Connery. I got the keys, all in my jeans. Y'all know I ain't playing since about a year ago.
I'm getting it now.
Looking at the competition, who's that motherfucker though? Stop selling me like homie, you should slow your roll.
Holy shit. This shit's bouncy as titties. Alright, yep, that's all I'm doing. Low-key gonna kill myself if I do anything else.
So we getting a little race right quick?
You wanna hit a little race, Big Mac Moto?
I'm about it.
Alright, let's get it, bro. Let's see what that two-stroke got. Let's see what that 300 Yamaha got. Wait, what'd you say? Hold on, repeat that. What happened?
The SSR 125 beat the Honda
Yep.
R100R.
Uh-huh.
We tested that. The KX could not stand to the DRZ.
Nope.
Did not. I had you for like the first 10 feet.
No, you did not, bro. I have a I will put a replay.
Clip in there. Put the clip.
I don't know which video it is, but if I find it, it's going in right now.
Alright, okay.
That's it, right? Oh, I'm about to smack that. That's about to be on the list, so.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get it. DRZ power. Alright, it's a little sketchy because we have all these slippery fucking things. Who wants to honk?
Huh?
You have a horn? Hey, on 3! Woo, baby! DRZ always comes in one, baby. Number one. Number one, baby. That was a bad start, too. Holy titties. Yo, what happened, Big Mac Moto? You're a little late.
I know.
Alright, let's go again. I'm from there.
All beneath the water, never felt right.
Yo, I'm gonna give you a head start, bro.
Okay.
Hey, you call it. Is that your top speed right there?
Ecstasy, Nirvana.
That was a hard fucking scrape right there. Hey, I'm not giving you no head start this time, bro. On your call. Got his ass. Oh, that was right on one of those bitches. What happened, bro? What happened?
Not a bad start.
Yeah, all my starts I'm pulling fucking wheelies.
I know so much.
Holy shit, that was funny.
Hey, car.
Hey, good race, bro. Good race.
Here we go. I started in third gear out in that fucking race.
Oh, God.
Damn. You good? You good? Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? Big Mac Moto or the R3? Oh, Big Mac Moto's not that far behind on that two-stroke. Not bad. Two-stroke versus an R3 sport bike. Oh shit! I left my freaking thing on. I'm a goddamn noob. Yeah, I want left. I'm a lefty type of guy. Woo, baby! Ready? Camera gang, boy. Hey! You! Alright, let's get the fuck out of here! Oh shit! Flick your bike! Yeah, yeah, yeah. You gotta A-tune that shit. Da, 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 da. Bro. Ah, fuck, it's hard. This was where that kid hit me, right? Yeah. Ah, memories. Yo, I got in my first crash in this neighborhood. My first crash ever. Shit was crazy. Right here. Oh my god, it's bringing back memories. I remember, bro. Look, this is a two-way road. Like, and I went down the opposite way, bro. I went this way. I went right here, and look, bro, there's like a curb, and I was turning to go on here, and boom, he hit me. Yep. Look, but that's the wrong way. Oh, where are you going? Oh, memories, man. Going down memory lane right now. Hey, how do you have the code? Or you don't know it?
I do. Watch this.
What the fuck? My dog knows how to open these gates with a smartphone. What a hacker, bro. You're a hacker. Alrighty, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, let's round two. Alrighty, guys, it was awesome riding today with Big Mac Moto and Tart. Nice meeting you, bro. Freaking shredded a sport bike. We hit some races. We hit some wheelies. The boy Nick came by. We had a good time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We going to California in less than a week. Videos are about to be so lit.
Good luck.
But until next time, remember, always stay motivated, boys and girls, and keep riding. Gang, peace!